What's up guys, Miguel here, a quick video. This is on the Velo Pro fan by dri-eaz. Let's get to some specs on this thing. The Pro is adjustable up here rather than just a regular one. I think it's only a 2-speed. 185 watts, 1.2 to 1.9 amps, 500 to 885 CFM. 18-foot cord. This thing is really cool because you could stack your fans on top of each other, kind of like the way these guys are. Just got 16 of them, and I'm really excited for them. Handle right here with a cord or a nylon, and basically you can carry it just like this. We're gonna get into some really cool things with this guy over here, but I'd like to show you guys a little bit more. This is going to be a little bit of a long video. I think they're like $3.79 each on Amazon, and pretty much I'm going to show what I like the most about this thing. Let me plug it into this guy over here, and you've got on and off switch right here. That's set at max, and you could set it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7-speed fan. Has the GFI right there. Nice thing about this is you could lean it up against the wall just like that. So if your wall was right here and you wanted to blow that way, you could just lean it up against the wall because the intake is right here. And then you can also do it the other way as well. If your wall was over on this side, you could just push it up against the wall just like that, and then you could dry it like that. It also has this thing over here so that if you wanted to dry up, you could have a tilt. And then another nice thing about this fan is you can also stand it up to blow straight up. The best feature of this is that one locks in place, and then pretty much you can stack fans all the way up however high your van is. And so it's gonna save space on a space that's this big. You could stack up maybe like 7-8 fans all the way up to the top of your van, and you would have 7-8 fans just right there, stacked neatly, one on top of each other. Has an hour counter. I haven't figured that part out yet, but hope this video was helpful. The fan's a little bit pricey at almost 400 bucks each, but it's gonna be really nice. They're gonna be really nice, and they're gonna be making money anyway. So if you're looking for this fan, or you were thinking about it, I'm not sure if there are any videos on it yet. I just decided to make one today. We got these fans in yesterday, and hope this video was helpful. Amazon link will be on the description. Thanks for watching.